Good evening, students. I will teach you today the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. इससे पहले जो पोर्शन मैंने किया था हमने उस पर ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर लिया है इनफ. ठीक है, हम इस पार्ट को भी थोड़ा सा कवर किया था. Now let me do once more. You know that plant prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. लेकिन वो प्लांट कुछ ऐसे भी हैं जो फोटोसिंथेसिस के द्वारा फूड प्रिपेयर नहीं करते. द प्लांट डू नॉट undergo for photosynthesis. The plant which does not have green leaf or the stem is green. If the plant has a stem green or leaf green, then it will go for photosynthesis. If do not have leaf or a stem is also not green, such plants depends upon for their food and nutrition on other plants that we are going to teach you. The heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Some plants which do not have chlorophyll and they do not synthesize their food, like animal, they depend for food on green plants. They depend for food on the green plants. So, for such plants, we have the term saprotrophic nutrition. Now, saprotrophic nutrition is what? The non-green plant get nutrients from the dead remains and organic matter of the plants and animals. They do not have leaves. Such plants are called saprophytes, like Indian pipe and coral. India pipe, or you can say Indian pipe. India pipe means Indian pipe. Indian pipe and coral roots. Actually, what happens? Saprotrophic nutrition. In the case of saprotrophic nutrition, the plant, I told you the plant do not prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. They do not have green leaves. Even they do not have green stem. If they will have, they will go for photosynthesis. They don't have chlorophyll. Therefore, they cannot prepare their food. Such plant depends upon the other food, other material. Depends upon the other green plants for their food. And such plants are known as saprophytes. So, the non-green plants get nutrients from the dead remains of the organic matter of plants and animals. They do not have leaves. Such plants are called saprophytes. So children, now one question we are going to make out of this. What is called saprophytes? Saprophytes are those plants which do not prepare their food. They depends upon other plants for their food and nutrients. Now such examples are Indian pipes and coral roots. Indian pipes. This plant, what is Indian pipe? Indian pipe and coral roots are the plant. They do not have green leaf. They do not have green stem. They depends upon the detriments of the plants and animals. It grows in that area. What actually happens? The roots, first I will show you how the Indian pipes or coral roots looks. So just watch, I will show you how the Indian pipe and coral root looks. Please set the camera on this. You will add it. Why it is looking like this? It is far. दूसरे को दिखा दीजिए. Indian Indian pipes and coral roots looks. This is your Indian pipe. इसको बड़ा कीजिए, सारे इंडियन पाइप्स, नहीं एक को नहीं कीजिए, पूरे यहाँ डार्क आ रहा है, नजदीक नहीं ला सकते. You bring it near. और शॉर्ट कीजिए, और शॉर्ट, और शॉर्ट, ज़्यादा इनलार्ज मत कीजिए. Yes, now children, you see that this is the Indian pipe. Okay. You enlarge it if possible. If you want, when I can click it.
Yes, sir.
Or this. But it is not coming larger. Now look at you. I think you are able to see. But this is not giving correct image. See, Indian pipe is like this. It is white in color. They do not have leaves. They do not have leaves. Okay. Okay, children. I will show you the another. Just check it. Another. So let me show it coral. So this is a coral root. Okay. Now children, you can see this plant is a coral root. Okay. And before that I have given you the Indian pipes. This is your Indian pipes. Enlarge it. This is your Indian pipes. It looks like pipes, it is white in color. Okay. So leave it. Okay. Now children, so you have seen the Indian pipe and coral roots. These plant, both plant have nothing green. Actually, the roots of the saprophytes contains organisms like fungi. So what do you say? What do you say? The saprophytes. The plant which for their food and nutrients depends upon another plants are saprophytes. They do not have chlorophylls. They do not prepare their food. What actually happens? The roots of the saprophyte contains organism called fungi. And then fungi or fungi, both is correct. The fungi which is like a mushroom. Fungi is like a mushroom. The saprophyte contains organism like fungi. Saprophyte is carrying the fungi, which is like a mushroom, secretes digestive juice. Secretes digestive juice. What? Fungi secrete digestive juice. That juice on the dead matter, and it converts the liquid, into the liquid, which is used as a nutrient by non-green plants. So, the saprophyte contains the fungi. A fungi secretes the digestive juice, it converts the dead matter into the liquid, and later on, which is being taken by non-green plants for their nutrition purposes. Is it clear? Okay. So we will. Now the fungi and bacteria are known as saprotrophs, saprophytes. Okay. So we will make few questions out of this. I have given you the notes. Now you can read and write my question answer. Without writing, it is not possible to understand question number 1. Define saprophytes. Saprophytes. Question number 2. Saprotrophs. Saprotrophs. Question number 3. How the green plant, how the non-green plants take the nutrients. These three cases, how the green plant takes nutrient, you know that saprophytes carries along with that mushrooms like organism like fungi. These fungi which secretes the juice, the fungi secretes the juice, and this juice which is used as a nutrient, fungi secretes digestive enzymes, juice which on that remain converts into the liquid, and that liquid is taken by the plants like Indian pipe and coral roots that I have shown you. So this part, have you understood now? These three question answer you need to do that. Define saprotrophs. The fungi and bacteria are known as saprotrophs, which provides the nutrient to the non-green plants. They are like a mushrooms. Okay? Now let me go to the parasitic nutrition. Now children, let me go to the parasitic nutrition and let me discuss with that. What is a parasitic nutrition? Name itself signifies that parasitic nutrition. Okay? You can find out the Amar Bailey in that. Amar Bailey. Cascuta. That is Amar Bailey. Amar Bailey is how it looks like. So, children, we will discuss it. Parasitic nutrition. That is Amar Bailey. It is a plant. It is a non-green plant having no chlorophyll. Here I am going to take you another parasitic nutrition. Here the plant does not have chlorophylls. They do not have chlorophyll. Again, they depend for their food and nutrients on another green plants. So then the plant name is Amar Bailey. It cannot make its own food. Explain the plant Amar Bailey. Explain the plant's Amar Bailey. It cannot make its own food. It has a long yellow thread-like stem. But you might have seen the Amar Bailey. Just show him the Amar Bailey, how it looks like. Then we will discuss it furthermore. Amar Bailey. ऐसा तुम अमर बेली बहुत सारे पेड़ों पर देखे होंगे, और ये अमर बेली तोड़ के दूसरे पेड़ पर डालोगे वहीं फैल जाएगा. जहां डालोगे वहीं फैल जाएगा, दूसरे प्लांट तीसरे प्लांट, लाइक दिस इट इज स्पॉइलिंग एंटायर ट्रीज. It does not have their root, but the Amarbeli completely peers into the stem of the plant on which is the host. Amarbeli structure is such that it peers into the plant, stem of the plant. Now, listen, it cannot make its own food. It has a long yellow thread like a stem. Its stem pierces into the plant's body. Its stem pierces into the plant body में ढुक जाता है, जिस पर लपेट के रखते हैं. Pierces into the plant body on which it climbs for absorption of ready-made food. What Amarbeli does? You throw the Amarbeli. Amarbeli will revolve around the plant root stem. It peers inside into it, upper skin, and what happens? It takes the food from that plant. They take that for the absorption of ready-made food. For the absorption of ready-made food, the special structure due to which the Amarbeli pierces, the special structure due to which the Amarbeli pierces is called Austoria. To explain Austoria, explain Austoria. Now, it is a special structure of the Amarbeli due to which it pierces into the stem of the plants for their food. Or you can say that plant as a host. And Amarbeli is the parasites. Now, my next question, define parasitic nutrition. Question number again 5, I have given 5 this. 5, this is the 5th number question. You can say 5, then 6, then 7, and then 8. These are the 8 questions I have given you. You will be writing it. Last, what is the difference between the total parasite and partial parasites? See, Amarbeli is considered as a total parasites. But all plants is not, all few plants are also the partial parasites. I will show you the partial parasites example, and then you need to discuss it later on. चलिए बैक में okay, this is the plant also you might have seen, children. Now look at this. हम लोग कई बार ऐसे प्लांट्स को यहां पर हम लोग बांझ बोलते हैं. ये पौधे के ऊपर हो जाता है. ये कुछ इस तरह से होगा, जरा देखो गौर करके. ये इस तरह से पेड़ पर हो जाया करता है ये प्लांट्स. इसे टोटल पैरासाइट नहीं कह सकते हैं. दिस प्लांट इज ए पार्शियल पैरासाइट्स. दिस प्लांट इज कंसिडर्ड एज पार्शियल पैरासाइट, नॉट ए टोटल पैरासाइट. Its name is Misclo. I have given you, we will discuss in coming class also, what is the partial parasites. We have discussed total parasite, which is 100 but totally depends upon this. Parasite may be the total, that is Amarbeli. Few fungi and bacteria are also total parasites. So children, have you seen now? You can proceed. So we have discussed it. By the time these 10 questions you do that, tomorrow's class, we hope that this chapter will be concluded. By the time metal and non-metal is also completing or getting completed by Mr. S.K. Datta. You complete it. Okay? We will discuss in the next class and we will try to conclude it. Okay? Thank you.